In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see submitted forms in WordPress. Whether you're managing a blog, an e-commerce site, or any other type of website, keeping track of form submissions is crucial for interacting with your visitors and customers. So let's dive straight into the process. First, head over to wordpress.com. If you're familiar with WordPress, this is the main interface where you'll control and customize all aspects of your site. If you're not already logged in, look for the option that says login and give it a click. This action will take you to the WordPress login page, key for providing access to your administrative dashboard. Next, you'll see several options to log in. Here, you want to click on Continue with Google. This is particularly handy if your WordPress account is tied to your Google credentials, as it simplifies the login process by syncing with your existing Google account. After selecting this option, you will be prompted to choose your Google account. A list of your Google accounts will appear if you manage multiple ones. Simply select the Google account associated with your WordPress site. Ensure it's the correct one, as this will grant you access to your site's backend and sensitive data. Once you're logged in, navigate your way to the Feedback tab on the dashboard. This tab is key for accessing the submitted forms. You'll find it on the menu, often along the left-hand side. Clicking on Feedback opens up a world of submissions from your site's forms, so make sure you're familiar with this part of the interface. Now, to view the responses to your forms, proceed to the Form Responses section. Here lies the treasure trove of all the submissions you've received via your WordPress forms. Each entry will contain the details users have submitted, such as names, emails, or any other information gathered from the form fields. And there you have it. By accessing the form responses, you can efficiently manage and review all the data visitors to your site have shared with you, keeping you connected with your audience. Remember, regularly checking your form submissions ensures you never miss out on valuable visitor interactions, questions, or potential business inquiries. So, whether you need to filter out responses, search through submissions, or simply stay informed about your site's activity, knowing how to see submitted forms in WordPress is a valuable skill. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has made it easier for you to navigate WordPress and manage your site with confidence. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Until next time, happy managing.